In this video, we are going to learn about the role of raw material used in the process of photosynthesis through experiments. Role of carbon dioxide in photosynthesis through experiment. First of all, we will look into the setup. Take a green de-starch potash plant, a plant that has used up all its starch by being kept in the dark for 48 hours. So we have to take a green de-starch potash plant. Then in the second step, in a wide mouth bottle fitted with a split cork, add 2 ml of potassium hydroxide solution to absorb all the carbon dioxide in the bottle. So in the second step, we have to take a wide mouth bottle fitted with a split cork, and in that bottle we have to add 2 ml of potassium hydroxide solution which absorbs all carbon dioxide in the bottle. In the third step, insert half of a healthy leaf into the bottle between the two pieces of cork, leaving the other half outside the bottle. So in the third step, we have to insert half of a healthy leaf into a bottle between two pieces of cork, leaving the other half outside the bottle. In the fourth step, we have to place the setup in the sunlight for at least 4 hours. So we have to keep this setup into the sunlight for at least 4 hours. Now steps. After 4 hours, plug the leaves and test for starch. So after 4 hours, we have to plug that leaf and then test for starch. Then boil the leaf in water and then in alcohol to destroy chlorophyll. Then we have to boil the leaf in water and then boil it into the alcohol to destroy chlorophyll. Then wash the leaf with warm water and place it on a glass plate. Then we have to wash the leaf with warm water and then we have to plate that leaf on a glass plate and then apply a few drops of iodine solution. Then we have to apply a few drops of iodine solution. As given in the figure, this is the jar in which leaves are kept half potted. And in a jar, KOH is dissolved. Then we have to take the leaf and boil it into a water in the first step. In the second step, we have to boil the leaf in the alcohol, which destroyed the chlorophyll. Then we have to wash the leaf with the warm water and place it on a glass plate. Then we have to put a drop of iodine solution. Then we will look into the observations. So in the first part of the leaf outside the bottle, that is exposed to carbon dioxide. So the part of leaf which was exposed to the carbon dioxide turns blue-black due to star formation, and the part inside the bottle without carbon dioxide remain yellow, showing no star formation. As we can see in the diagram, after putting few drops of iodine solution, part which turns yellow, starch is not formed because CO2 was not present there, while the part which turns into blue and black formed starch because it was exposed to carbon dioxide which was present in the atmosphere, and photosynthesis takes place, and carbon dioxide is necessary for the photosynthesis is the conclusion of this experiment. I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you.